I'm very honored and privileged to be in a room with such incredible minds and incredible hearts. And I really feel that this network that we're creating will allow us to absorb the knowledge and the wisdom from all the other people so that, we can create from a place that's community driven and led, but have the guidelines, the procedures, the lived experience from other nations, other countries who maybe have started this journey much earlier than I have.
So the insights that really hit me were from our younger colleagues. And they get that we have to engage more in the political as well as the personal.
Healthcare is everybody's business. We have the skill to give service, to repair when health is gone. But when it comes to health, everyday health, that is more of individual and community business.
But I'm so overwhelmed by the people are here from actually the whole globe, and I think that's so humbling and so interesting and so exciting. And I think that South Africa is also very special.
In this country, the variation between peoples, variation in everything, variation in shape, lifestyle, religion, even the way of thinking, but they all live with each other in peace.
Going on from this conference, the important thing is to build the networks, so that we can share the things that work well in our spaces that can be applied elsewhere, and develop that community so that it's not just at a conference where we talk about these things, but we have a constant engagement and working together to solve a global problem.
It has been incredibly beautiful, like in everything that we're doing. Applying Ubuntu, in clinical practice, where we work, where we play, where we engage with communities and relationships, just in everything that we're doing, applying Ubuntu. So for me, it is really umntu ngumntu ngabantu. Enkosi.
Conference on the Move. We're going to Kailicha today, which is a township in the Cape Flats.
Looking forward to visiting several organizations involved in gender-based violence issues.
I'm going something which is a little far from the Cape Town and see how the community system works, healthcare works there in some of the remotest areas nearby Cape Town.
So good morning everyone. I'm so excited. I'm going on a community outreach program. I actually don't know where I'm going, but it does not matter.
One of the beautiful things about Towards Unity for Health conferences that we're very happy to be part of is Conference on the Move. And so my wife and I, we're actually going to school.
Good morning everybody. Today we'll be going to Langa and Bonteheuwel.
We'll be visiting Mustadafin and Autism Connect, which is two of our student sites in Mitchell's Plain.
Hello guys, we're going to site 16, which is in Heiderveld.
So we are going to Santa Kraal Primary School, plus Trevor Manuel Primary School and Santa Kraal High School.
And we're going to learn about wellness, and we're also going to go to a radio program thing, aren't we? Yeah.
We're going to Santa Kraal Clinic.
Looks like we're going to have to go, but we're going to have a great time.
It's going to be a really unique experience on Conference on the Move.
Thank you.